Good morning everyone! It's October 17 and hindi po ako papasok today kasi meron akong kaibigan na celebrate ng kanyang oath-taking as a citizen of Canada. Kaya samahan niyo po ako mamaya. I-cover ko siya for today para medyo hopefully payagan ako na mag-video kahit paunti-unti lang sa loob para makita niyo kung paano maging isang Canadian. Sa mga bago po dito sa akin channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. And sana po lagi tayong magkita and sana ma-enjoy nyo pa yung ibang videos ko. Thank you guys. I'll see you later. Hello guys. Andito na tayo sa bahay nila. Sunduin ko siya. And bigyan ko lang kayo ng kaunting feedback sa kanyang application na she's already 62. And friend ko siya sa workplace. And dito sa Canada, pag 62 years old ka na, means you're senior citizen and hindi mo na kailangan mag-apply ka lang as citizen. Hindi mo na kailangan na mag-interview and kumuha ng exam. Pero 55 below, like me, kumuha ako ng exam, naipasa ko yun, and then after na maipasa mo siya, may interview ka. So, and then before your oath-taking. Sa kanya, madali lang yung naging process kasi nga 62 years old na siya. So, nag-apply kami. Tinulungan ko siya sa application papers niya. And then, pinasa lang namin yung mga requirements and after 2 months, naka-receive na agad siya ng sagot. So, we applied July. Ano lang ngayon, July, September, October lang. So 2 months lang talaga inabot. Tuwan-tuwa siya kasi nga sobrang bilis. And di ko alam kung immigration namin ngayon is sobrang bilis. Kung ganito yung process niya kasi nung sa akin that time napakatagal. Like, I mean, umabot ako ng almost 5 years as citizen bago lumabas. Pero ngayon, Diyos ko dahil, napakadali lang po. So ngayon, ayan, tignan natin na sobrang happy niya for sure and happy ako sa kanya kasi ngayon citizen na siya and Canadian passport na rin, and sa lahat ng pinaghirapan niya dito sa Canada as caregiver, masusulit na rin kasi nga one of the benefit na makukuha niya as a citizen is yung kanyang retirement pension from the government. So yun ang kaya ako din siya pinilit na mag-apply, although she's a permanent resident here in Canada, is para makuha niya lahat ng benefits ngayon na senior citizen na siya. And sige, mamaya pakita ko siya sa inyo guys, mamimit niyo siya and sama kayo sa pagpunta namin sa kanyang oath-taking, sa kanyang special day today. Hi guys, andito na tayo. Ayun yung mag-oath-taking. Congratulations! Oo naman, te. Dapat nabibili kita eh. Ito yung kanyang notice to appear. Hindi ko papakita sa inyo lahat kasi medyo private. No, private siya. And ito yung kailangan niyang bitbitin. Ang kanyang permanent residence card. 2 IDs. Yung permanent residence, ikakat niya yan later. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin niya later. Pero ayan guys, I'm so excited. Yan na yung kanyang papers. Ready na. And ready na kami. And ready na siya. Excited.
Joanne as well done.
Ne.
Job well done, Joanne.
No. It's your, paghihirap. Habol tayo ng coffee bago ang ceremony kasi baka mahaba-haba yung 2 hours daw. Maan pa ako dito sa McDonald's. Iniwan ko na si ate doon kasi 9 o'clock yung start and it's already 8:50. So 10 more minutes. Yeah, nandito na. Ito na si ate, excited. Daming magsi-citizen. Ay! Welcome to the Oakville Town Hall. Kung saan ka nakatira, doon yung ano, oak taking mo, te, no?
Hindi rin.
Hindi rin? Ayan na yung iba. Ayan. Yay!
Kasi si ano nga, si...
Ito na, dito natin.
Nagbablog din yun.
Nagbablog din ba sila? Wala kayo. Vlog kami, no? Yay! I'm here. Ayan na.
Maraming classmate.
Yay! My citizenship! Yay! Ang daming classmate. Ah, dito lang pala. Ayan na sila, oh. Oh. Yun na. Form in line sila. Si registration na. Si ate. Yan guys, ako po na si ate. Dito yung mga guests. Tapos ando sila sa unahan. Yan si ate.
are not alone. Judge Avery, the candidates for citizenship are ready to repeat the oath of citizenship.
Thank you, Ms. Lee. All right, everyone, this is the moment we've been waiting for. I cannot wait to hear all of you. Please repeat after me. I swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to His Majesty, King Charles III, King of Canada, his heirs and successors, and that I will faithfully observe the laws of Canada, including the Constitution, which recognizes and affirms the Aboriginal and treaty rights of First Nations, Inuit and Métis, à Sa Majesté, le roi, Charles III, roi du Canada, à ses héritiers et successeurs, que j'observerai fidèlement les lois du Canada, y compris la Constitution. Congratulations, everyone. Félicitations. You are all now Canadian citizens. Vous êtes maintenant citoyens.
Please be seated. We will now proceed with official congratulations. When I call your name, please come to the front. Once you're congratulated, please return to your seat. This is a reminder to please stay seated unless you have been called forward. We will have the opportunity to take photos with the platform party after our ceremony is done.
People, of which 30% have been born outside of Canada. And everyone who's joined us has brought a diverse culture and perspective, and you are most welcome. From an economic development perspective, for 6 consecutive years, including 2023.
Yes, hopefully. I'll try my best to speak up. So before I give my closing congratulatory remarks, I just want to take a moment to thank our IRCC staff for all of their hard work to make this and so many ceremonies happen. Now, many of you know that in March of 2020, all of our in-person ceremonies wrapped to a halt due to the pandemic. I think that's well known. But what many people do not know is that it was our staff that mobilized and helped us to create new platforms in order for us to swear in almost 60.
Choose to sing in English or French or bilingually.
Congratulations. You are now official Canadian. Now, your journey here was unique. Whether you came here for safety, to reconnect with family, just to start a new life, you are now an equal member of our country. And as Canadians, we share responsibilities to look out for one another, to welcome those who are new here, and to respect those who are Indigenous to this land, and always to leave our communities better than we found them. So as you continue your life here, remember this day when you became a citizen. And think about everything you can do. Congratulations. Back to
Congratulations to the new Canadians, and thank you to everyone who contributed to this ceremony, including our special guests. It was a delight to have you. The citizenship ceremony is now closed. I ask that you remain standing while our platform party leaves the room.
Thank you.
Please be seated. So just a few last things. Please check.
Hey! Andito na yung shirt ni ate at sa Canadian. Are you so happy?
I don't know.
Hindi pa rin siya makapaniwala.
I'm still in shock.
Yeah. Congrats. Very good. Pipila kami dito kay Judge. For picture-picture.
Thank you, Joe.
Ano ka ba? Thank you ako ng thank you. Tangi. Ikaw yan, te. It's you. Hi guys. Dito na kami sa Sunset Grill. Mag-celebrate kami ni ate. Kakain kami. Hindi kami nag-breakfast kasi maaga yung oath taking. Celebrate kami. Well, yung ate ko na hindi pa nakaka-recover. Sa alapaap pa. Hindi niya alam kung anong nangyari ngayon. Baka tulog pa siya or something. Ano pakiramdam ng Canadian ka na?
I don't know.
Bakit I don't know? Dapat masaya ka, te. Tapos next week mag-apply ka na ng passport. Oh. Ay, may ano kayo dyan, ano? Kung paano mag-apply ng passport.
Nandun sa... I don't know.
Yeah. Meron dyan, te.
Wala.
Ano mo? Wala. Hindi niya pa alam. Tapos anya na daw mag-coffee. Order na naman ng coffee. Wala pa nga sa alapaap to. Ay, nasa alapaap pa pala. Wala pa sa ano. Thank you so much. Ang galing ng ice tea nila, oh. Nasa kan. Can. Anong pakainin? What will we order? Yan, celebration. Kanyang, ano yan, te? Tuna?
White tuna
Wow.
salad wrap.
White tuna salad wrap. And sa akin, salmon. Pero hindi siya mukhang asan ang salmon? Ayun, sa gilid. Smoke pala. Kain, guys.
Sinabi niya. I'm still sleeping. So,
Di ba sabi ko, ate, hard yung ano ko? Tingnan mo, oh. Very soft. Di ba sabi ko, narinig mo, medium? Medium ba yan?
yeah.
Medium.
Sana, namin mo hard-boiled. Eh, kasi ang title niyan is soup pouch egg.
Yeah. Nga. Masarap naman kasi may cheese. Ay, salamat, nakaraos na tayo. Sunod din, ano, Marjorie and Kevin naman.
So, bilangin na niya yung... I think she has already.
He knows. Alam niya kung kailan siya mag-apply eh.
Yeah.
Next year daw na...
Sakto na yung ano niya eh. Sakto na yung... Kasi...
Nagmamadali din kasi gusto niyang pumunta sa US. Yung best friend niya, kinukulit na siya. Ayaw niya mag-apply ng US visa kasi sabi niya masasayang lang daw pera niya.
Hello, 10 years na bibigay. 10 years na bibigay. Sa atin, 10 years din eh.
Kahit na. Kahit pa siya mag-apply, di ba?
Hindi pa siya rin.
Double bayad pa yun. Tapos pagdating, pag after 2 years, mag-apply siya, di baliwala na rin yung ano niya, US, kasi pwede na siyang mag-travel US.
Talagang advantage yun.
Diba?